Hello, traders. This is the Max Bot channel. Now we are running a 1-month promotion. Get a bot with a passability of 80 to 90% for free and forever. The link is in the description. Outside the promotion you can get it only for a fee. And the bot also has a refund function for losing trades. If you traded and got a losing trade, we will compensate you for it. You will learn all the terms and conditions by registering in the robot menu. And right now I will use it to increase my deposit from $1 to a great amount. Let's go. The first bot signal is higher. Time frame 1 minute. Currency pair British pound, Australian dollar. I will enter each subsequent trade for the full amount of the deposit, and at the end of the work I will summarize the results. I specifically increased the speed of price movement to save your time and for the convenience of watching the video. We have a cool contest going on our channel. We will choose 2 winners who will receive $1,000 each for one random comment. You can win a great prize by following a few steps. Watch this video from beginning to end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write one comment on trading topics. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Only one message is accepted from one person, which must be thematic. Off-topic comments such as "I want $1,000" will not be allowed to participate. I choose the winners weekly using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. So, I have already closed 2 trades in plus, thanks to the bot. And while the work continues, I want to tell you about the impact of global political events on financial markets. The financial markets are a complex ecosystem, with countless variables driving price movements. Among these, global political events stand out as some of the most impactful forces. For traders working with currency pairs, understanding how politics influences the markets is critical to navigating volatility and identifying potential opportunities. Currency markets are deeply intertwined with the political and economic conditions of their respective nations. Political events create ripple effects across economies, influencing investor sentiment, capital flows, and exchange rates. Here's how political events can affect financial markets. Market sentiment, political stability, or the lack thereof, heavily influences how investors perceive a country's economic outlook. Positive developments boost confidence, while instability triggers risk aversion. Economic policies. Governments and policymakers often use fiscal and monetary measures to respond to political changes. These decisions directly impact inflation, interest rates, and GDP growth, which in turn affect currency valuations. Geopolitical risks. Conflicts, sanctions, or diplomatic tensions create uncertainty, prompting shifts in capital to safer assets or regions. Currency pairs are particularly sensitive to geopolitical disruptions. Several categories of political events have a direct or indirect effect on financial markets. Here's what traders should keep an eye on. Elections and leadership changes. Elections often lead to heightened volatility in the markets as investors attempt to predict the policies of new leaders. For instance, a pro-business candidate may boost the national currency through expectations of economic growth. Conversely, political uncertainty during a tightly contested election can lead to currency depreciation as investors hedge their risks. Policy announcements. Changes in government policies, whether fiscal, monetary, or trade-related, have immediate consequences for currency markets. Examples include tax reforms aimed at stimulating growth, monetary policy changes, such as adjustments to interest rates, trade agreements or tariffs that affect a country's economic competitiveness. Geopolitical conflicts. Military conflicts, territorial disputes, or diplomatic breakdowns can create widespread market turbulence. For example, tensions between major economies may disrupt global trade and depreciate the currencies of export-reliant countries. Safe haven currencies like the USD, JPY, or CHF, often strengthen during periods of geopolitical uncertainty, natural disasters and humanitarian crises. While not strictly political, large-scale natural disasters and humanitarian crises often trigger government interventions. These events can strain public finances, disrupt economic activity, and weaken currencies. Sanctions and trade wars. Economic sanctions or trade wars reshape global trade dynamics, with direct consequences for affected nations' currencies. A country facing sanctions may see its currency devalue due to reduced foreign investments and trade limitations. The UK's decision to leave the European Union created significant volatility in the GBP. Uncertainty around trade agreements, regulations, and economic impact caused wild swings in GBP-based currency pairs. Traders who anticipated these shifts were able to capitalize on short-term trends. The prolonged trade tensions between the US and China affected global markets, particularly the USD and CNY. Tariffs and retaliatory measures disrupted supply chains, weakened business confidence, and caused periodic surges in safe haven currencies like the JPY. And I keep profiting with MaxBot. Right now in front of you on the screen are testimonials from people who are also making money with this tool. By working this structure you will become millionaires. Bot knows everything that its developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you. The bot will triple your deposit on the first day. The trust you put in it will justify itself in the first hours of work. The bot is a paid tool, but you can get it absolutely free right now. Access is given to you forever. Follow the link in the description. Follow the instructions and start earning with the help of neural network with the accuracy of signals from 80 to 90%. The promotion, where you can get the robot for free, will last for 1 month. This tool gives an unlimited number of signals. Yes, you get the full version without restrictions, forever. We have also introduced a refund function for minus trades in the bot. If you traded and got a losing trade, it will be compensated to you. You will learn all the conditions in detail by registering. Trading during politically turbulent times requires a blend of caution and strategic planning. Stay informed. Knowledge is your first line of defense. Stay updated on global news and developments by following trusted financial and political sources. Set alerts for key announcements, such as election results or policy changes. Focus on safe haven currencies. In times of uncertainty, traders often flock to currencies like the USD, JPY, and CHF. Safe haven currencies typically strengthen as risk-averse investors seek stability. Pairing these with risk-sensitive currencies can provide trading opportunities. So, in the meantime, I closed the final trade in the plus side. Thanks to the powerful robot and its accurate signals I was able to earn $1,274 from just $1. Friends, did you like the video? Give it a like and subscribe. See you soon.